Yeah, what's up everyone? Kira here. So a lot of y'all been asking me for a while right now, what is the meaning of penny stocks that I've been talking about? And what's the difference between them in the normal stocks in the stock market? So let me bring it to you easily. Penny stocks are those stocks that trade at a low, very low price, and they have a low market capitalization. Usually those stocks are listed on a smaller exchange in the US stock market, in the European stock market. Penny stocks are usually below $1 per share, but also the stocks that below the shares from the stocks that are below $5 called penny stocks too, but these stocks are very risky. Call them high risk stocks, but these are the stocks that got a great potential of turning a small investment to a fortune. Let me give y'all an example. Let's say you own 50,000 shares of a penny stock. Let's say the penny stock is priced at $1. Let's say the penny stocks are priced at $1 and you own 50,000 shares. Even a $1 rise in the share price can give you $50,000 in a single day. But this is not possible in the case of a large stock, because it would require large capital to buy such a large volume of shares. And by the way, so we can all be clear right here, the penny stocks also got a lot of downsides, bro. And by the way, to be clear again, I'm not a financial advisor, even though I'm not giving you a financial advice right now to tell you to go buy this stock or this stock, but I had to put it there. I'm not a financial advisor. I just do stocks. I just know stocks. I just know about stocks. Stocks are a very high risk job, so you might wanna be careful about your money, bro. It's your money that you'll be investing. It's your life saving that you'll be investing. I know you're broke. I know you are financially not free, and you wanna be free financially. So you might want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm about to give y'all the best opportunities to get rich. And by the way, I will never do an advertisement to any stock. I will never advertise any stock that will put your money into risk. I'll just give y'all some of the stocks that I read, that I analyze, that I study for y'all, or for me too, because I do stocks too. So take care. I'm out.